Are you thinking about buying the paid version of Rank Math SEO? Now, before you buy, make sure to watch this tutorial and review of Rank Math Pro so you can see if the premium version of this tool is something that you really need. Now, before you prematurely exit this video, feel free to skip chapters if you wish by clicking any of the timestamps in the description. So let's get started. Now, before you go pro, I want to show you many of the premium features of the Rank Math paid version. Now, as you could see, there are tons of premium features, but do you really need them and are they worth it? Let's find out. I'm going to go to my WordPress backend. Now, this is the Rank Math SEO Pro version. What you see here is the main dashboard. You can view all of the features at a glance. They are organized into modules. Now, if you want to turn on or off any of these modules, you can just click on these toggle buttons right here. Modules with this green icon means that pro options are enabled. So analytics has pro options, content AI also has pro options, and is also a new module. The local SEO module also has pro options. And there's some modules that are only available for the pro version, like this news sitemap feature and also this video sitemap feature. Now, the features that you see here are under easy mode, but if you click on advanced mode, you can view all of the features. So you can see all of the modules laid out right here. Now, under the advanced mode, you can click on import and export, where you can import and export any previous SEO plugins. Now let's dive into the tool. So first, I'm going to click on analytics. I really like this feature because it shows you at a glance how well your website is performing. You can view your overall optimization score and also see which pages are categorized as good, fair, or poorly optimized. And as you can see, I have tons of poor pages, which means I have a lot of work to do in terms of optimizing my website properly. You can also see at a glance how your search traffic is over time, what your search impressions are, how many keywords you're ranking for, and also any AdSense earnings you've received. You can also view some keyword data and also page-by-page analysis right here. Now let's go a little bit deeper and click on Site Analytics. Now this report helps you analyze your content on a page-by-page level. You can view the SEO score for each one of your pages to see at a glance which pages need work. So as you could see here, my homepage has an SEO score of 50, so I definitely need to work on that. And my blog article right here has an SEO score of only 18. You can also see what schema is added to these pages and also see how many links the pages have, how many external and incoming links it has as well. And lastly, how much traffic each page is getting. You can sort these pages as well by clicking on this dropdown, and it will sort the pages by SEO score. You can also sort it by traffic as well. Now let's go to SEO performance. You can see at a glance how much search traffic you're getting, impressions, keywords, what's your average position like, and so on. Now to help you analyze this line graph better, you can toggle any of these on or off. So say for example, I only want to view my average position over the past 30 days. You can just click on average position and the line graph will update. And if you continue scrolling, you can see your top 5 winning posts in terms of these metrics right here. So position, search traffic, impressions, and also a really helpful position history on a page-by-page level basis. Now, all of this data does come from Google Search Console and Google Analytics. So to get all of this information, you need to connect your account with Rank Math. And once you do, it will organize all of that data in these very helpful reports. You can also see your keyword performance as well, and also track your keywords. So if you click on Rank Tracker, you can add your keywords, whatever they are, and you can track them over time and see what their impressions are, how many clicks you're receiving, what's their position history, and so on. And lastly, you can analyze your index status. So immediately I know that most of my pages are submitted and indexed. But it looks like there are 7 pages that are crawled but currently not indexed. So that means I might have some indexation issues. So I can take a closer look at these 7 pages to figure out what the issues are. Okay, so let's go to the next report. General settings. So this part helps you update all of your main SEO settings. The first one is links. So this is where you can change how some of your links open and operate on your website. My favorite part is this affiliate link prefix. This is where you can add the URI prefixes you use for affiliate cloaked links. So if you have an affiliate website, this is where you can set that up. You can open external links in a new tab or window. You can no-follow all external links, redirect attachments, and also strip the category base of the URLs. You can also set up how your breadcrumbs operate as well. I can toggle this on and choose all of the settings here. So what do I want my separator character to be? Should I show the homepage link? What my homepage label should say? What's the link for it? And so on. You can also add your verification codes for all of the webmaster tools. So you can add it for Google Search Console, Bing, Baidu, Yandex, Pinterest, and even Norton Safety Web Verification ID. There's also the other SEO settings as well. So you can tell Rank Math to set up a headless CMS support, show SEO score to visitors. You can set up the RSS before the content or after the content, and so on. You can also edit the robots.txt right here, edit your htaccess file, set up your blocks. So Rank Math has a table of contents feature, and you can set up how that operates right here. So the table of contents list style, have it numbered or unordered, and also table of contents exclude heading. Okay, so you can exclude certain headings right here. You can also set up your analytics right here. So this is where you connect your Google Search Console and your Google Analytics, even AdSense. And you can update your content AI settings. You can choose from different countries and tell Rank Math which post types you want to use the content AI feature on. And lastly, redirections. So this is where you can easily create redirects without fiddling with tedious code. I really like this one, auto post redirect. So if you toggle this on, you can extend the functionality of WordPress by creating redirects in the plugin when you change the slug of any page. Okay, so these are all of the general SEO settings. Titles and meta. So this is where you can update how your SEO titles appear and set up all of the metadata for each part of your website. So this first part is the global meta. So you can quickly set your robots meta to index, no follow, and so on for the entire website. You can also update your open graph thumbnail right here. And you can also set up a custom image watermark for your thumbnails. Now, all of the tabs on this left-hand side will automatically change according to the plugins and types of pages you have on your website. So what you see here might be a little bit different than your website. You can update your local SEO knowledge graph settings right here by filling out all of these form fields. You can set up your social meta on this page. There's homepage settings, post formats, authors. You can decide whether or not you want author archives by clicking on disabled or enabled. And you can update your miscellaneous pages right here. As you can see, you can enable or disable your date archives. You can decide whether or not you want your dates robots meta to be index or no index. For this site, I put no index. This will make all of my date pages not be indexed on Google. You can also set up your post types, like your general post pages here. You can set up what schema type for your posts. They're set up as article. You can set up all of your pages here, attachments, projects, imported landings, and other projects. Now again, this will change according to your own website, and also the posts as well. So all of your categories posts, how do you want them to display, your tag posts, list of projects, and so on. Sitemap settings. This page will help you update your general sitemap settings. You have the option to add images in sitemaps. You also have the option to either include or exclude your featured images in your sitemaps as well, right here. You can exclude posts, exclude terms, and also ping search engines. So this will automatically notify Google when a sitemap gets updated. You can also update your HTML sitemap as well. I really like this display format option, so you can either copy and paste a shortcode, which is right here, or if you click on page, you can select what page you want your HTML sitemap to be. You can update your sitemap settings for different post types as well, different taxonomies, and also other special sitemaps. This is my local SEO sitemap, and you can view your location's KML file right here. Instant indexing. So you can send URLs directly to the Index Now API. So you can insert URLs to send to the API in this box. You can also update the settings and also view your history. Schema Templates. Now this is probably one of the most powerful features of Rank Math. So if you click on Add New, you'll open up the schema generator window. You can view all of the different schemas in this list right here. There's article, book, FAQ, course, restaurant. So if you are a restaurant, you can use this one. If you have your own software, you can use software, service, video, and so on. You can also import schemas or even create your own custom schema. Okay, so if you are on schema.org, you can review the information here to create your own custom schema. There's even code validation and display conditions. You can include on the entire site archives or a singular type of post content. Now, if you want to edit the schema, just click on Use. I'm going to click on the FAQ schema. You can add the name, the short code here, where you will add the schema on whatever page you want. And then this is where you add the property group. Okay, so you can add the question, URL, image, and the answer to that question. And you can add as many as you want. Okay, so this is question 2 and so on. And as you add the information here, you can view the code validation and also display conditions to tell Rank Math where you want to use this schema template. So as you could see, very, very powerful and pretty easy to use. Role Manager. Now, this is where you can control which user has access to which options of the tool. So all administrators will have access to these features: editor, author, contributor, and so on. So if you have a team or some VAs that are working on your website, you can set up your access on this page. Redirections. So this is where you can manage all of your redirects. If you click on Add New, this is where you can add a redirection, add the URL you want to redirect, and add the destination URL right here. Set up your redirection type, and so on. You can even import and export a list of redirects and categorize them as well by clicking on Manage Categories. And if you click on Settings, it will go back to the redirections settings in your General Settings section. SEO Analyzer. Now this feature will analyze your entire website and give you an overall SEO score. My website has a pretty high SEO score, which is nice. I passed many of their tests. I have 1 warning and 4 failed tests. You can view the details right here. It analyzes your basic SEO of your homepage. There's also advanced SEO checks that it did. It checks if you have a canonical tag, www canonicalization, robots, schema metadata, and so on. There's also a performance report and security report. And within the basic SEO section, I like the last parts where it says there are, so-and-so pages with no focus keyword set. And there's also tons of pages where the post titles are missing focus keywords. Not only can you analyze your own website, but you can also analyze your competitors as well, so you can compare the two. Status and tools. So this part you may not use that often, but this is where you can update your version control. So if you have any issues with Rank Math and you need to roll back to a previous version, you can do so right here. You can opt in to become a beta tester, decide whether or not you want to auto update this plugin. There's also database tools as well. So if you run into any issues, you can flush the SEO Analyzer data to restart. You can remove Rank Math transients. So if you have any issues with the tool, clicking on this can help fix most of the problems, and so on here. There's also the system status page where you can share this information to Rank Math or maybe a developer. And lastly, help and support. So Rank Math has a knowledge base of tons of very, very helpful articles, and I've been reading tons of them to learn more about just using the tool and SEO in general. So they have really great content on their website. Now I want to show you how the Rank Math tool looks like on a page-by-page basis within the WordPress backend. Okay, so right now what you see here is one of my blog articles. I'm using the Divi builder, so that's why you see this right here. But on the top right-hand corner, you can see two scores. So you can see the 69 out of 100. So if you click on that, that's my SEO score, and this will toggle the Rank Math module. So you can view your search snippet right here. So you can click on edit snippet to update the title tag, the permalink, and also your meta description, and also update how your page will look like on social. So you can change the title, description, and also replace the image as well. So it gives you very, very powerful social sharing options for Facebook and for Twitter. And this is where you can add your focus keyword. So I added how to advertise your business on Facebook. And that's how it came up with the score of 69. Okay, so it analyzed tons of different basic SEO checkpoints. So I checked to see if I had my focus keyword in the SEO title and meta description. So I passed those two, but unfortunately my focus keyword is not found in the URL. It also checked these additional points as well. It says my URL is too long. I didn't link out to any external resources, and I don't have any internal links in my content. It also checks for title readability, and it says I need to add a number to my SEO title. There's also content readability checks it completed as well. As you can see here, it says I don't have a table of contents, and one of my paragraphs is too long. Now, if you click on this second button right here, 54 out of 100, this is the content AI module. So you add your focus keyword here, and I will get an overall score out of 100, which tells me how well my content is optimized according to word count, link count, heading count, and media count. So my article is long enough, but unfortunately, I don't have any links. It says I need at least 11 internal links and 4 external links, and I need more headings as well. I need a couple more H2s, H3s, and H4s, and I need more videos. So I only have one, but I need one more additional video. But I'm good with images. You can also get a list of what keywords I need to add in my content, in my headings, and it looks like I did add this keyword in my heading, so I'm good. SEO title, so these are the keywords for my SEO title. And lastly, SEO description. Okay, so if you click back to content, these are all the keywords I need to still add in my body copy. And you can even see the related keywords as well that you can add. There's also questions that you need to ask and answer, and also links that you may want to link out to. Okay, and lastly, I want to show you, so if you are just browsing your website, at the very top bar, you can see this Rank Math SEO button. Now, if you hover over this, you can view your post analytics for this page. You can view the SEO settings for posts, and also set up redirects right here. So if you are browsing your website and you want to redirect this page, just click on redirect this page. Or if you want to see your post analytics, just click on post analytics and it will open up the report for that post article. So it says my content score is 59 and my SEO score is 40. You can view the index status for this page, and in the future, there will be some intelligent suggestions provided to us, and you can see some search performance right here and what keywords are ranking for this page as well. Okay, so hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial and review of Rank Math SEO Pro. Now, if you think this tool is worth it, feel free to click my affiliate link in the description to get Rank Math SEO Pro. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to check out my other videos, feel free to click any of the ones on the screen right now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.